been having trouble publishing the Calcite Typography styles and components, I noticed that there are a couple issues at hand. One is that you have to make sure that you do have all the Avenir fonts on your computer. So if I just type in here and I break this and I look and see what fonts I have, you see I have Avenir and Avenir Next. Under Avenir, when I first looked, when there was a problem, I noticed that I only had 3 fonts. I only had like medium, light, medium, and heavy. So then I went online and I found this website, which I'll post in the comments, Free Fonts Family, that talks about the Avenir font family, which was quite interesting actually. And you click on this download now button, and then you can download and get the rest of the Avenir fonts if they are not on your computer. The next thing I noticed is that the error kept happening, and I'll show you the error I was getting on Avenir Light and Wrapping Light. I've since fixed the Avenir Light, and I'll show you how I did that. So wrapping, like most of the typography was, all the Avenir Regular was published, and the Avenir Medium and the Avenir Bold. But as I said, some were failing, and the ones I noticed that were failing were this Wrapping Light, and you can see that even the icon is wrong. So what I did is click on nothing, go over to the right side, and go to Wrapping Light. And this one I already fixed. You can see that the icon has changed to be correct. This icon still has the big T here. So click on this Edit Style button. You can see that you get an error here. And that's because it's looking for something you don't have. So you want to change this Avenir Next Light Pro. Pull this down and find Avenir. It is coming. Here it is, Avenir and Light 12. And then close it, and you'll see you fix that one. And then you do the same for each. Actually, I think you can just, there we are, boom. Just type it in, Avenir. Once again, Avenir. You can see that the icon is changing as I correct this. Avenir. Avenir. Click on that little edit style icon. And Avenir and one more. Avenir. All right, now the Wrapping Light has all been corrected. So we can see here. Now let's go ahead and click on nothing, click on the gray background, and try to publish styles and components. Let's see how we do. Et voila, it works. So, let me know if you have any questions in the comments, but that should work for you. Thanks so much.